Hello, I'm Harvey, and welcome back to the next stage of setting up your account with the Heating app. In this video, we will guide you through the process of setting up your custom invoice template, adding your services, and configuring payment methods. To begin, please make sure you are using a desktop computer. Let's get started. Let's move to the top right-hand corner and click on the three white lines. Next, you'll see an option labeled Invoices. Go ahead and click on it. Now type in the prefix you want for your invoices. For example, INV- followed by the starting number, which is 001. The number will be automatically incremented from the one you entered, ensuring each new invoice receives the next sequential number. By ticking the Send Invoice Reminders box, the system will automatically resend any unpaid invoice after 30 days from the original due date. This is helpful to remind customers who might have forgotten to pay. Additionally, you have the option to manually resend invoices to individual customers if needed. This gives you more control over the communication and allows you to handle specific cases or reminders as required. If you wish to display your bank details on all of your invoices, proceed to fill in the next three boxes with the required information: bank account name, sort code, and account number. However, if you prefer not to display your bank details on the invoices, simply leave this section blank, and the information will not be included. To choose the color scheme for your invoices, click on the drop-down box labeled Invoice Color. You'll see a color dial. Move the dial on the right-hand side to select your preferred color, and then adjust the dial on the left to pick the desired shade. Once you're satisfied with your color choice, click OK to save the selection. Your invoices will now be displayed using the chosen color scheme. To select the position of your logo on the invoice template, use the drop-down box provided. You have three options: left, center, or right. Choose the position that you prefer, and the system will display a preview of the invoice with your selected logo placement. This way, you can see how the logo will appear before finalizing your choice. Once you are satisfied with all the settings, click on Submit, and then OK to proceed to the next section. Let's select Services to continue with the setup process. This will enable you to organize and customize the various services you provide, streamlining your invoicing and scheduling procedures. Let's proceed with managing your services. To begin adding a new service, click on the plus sign located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will allow you to create a new service entry and customize the details associated with it. I'm now going to create examples of three different types of services and explain how these can be utilized in the day-to-day running of your business. Let's begin with the first service example. As a gas engineer, I provide an annual domestic boiler service to my customers. In the description box, we have up to 200 characters. I will outline the details of this service. This text will be displayed on invoices and quotes. The estimated time to complete this service is typically 45 to 60 minutes. Therefore, I will add a duration time of 60 minutes to the next box. By setting a duration time of 60 minutes, the calendar will automatically allocate the appropriate amount of time when booking customers for this service. This ensures efficient scheduling and helps manage appointments effectively, preventing any overlapping or inadequate time slots. It simplifies the booking process and optimizes the use of your time and resources, providing a better experience for both you and your customers. The cost for this annual domestic boiler service is $150 plus tax. If you are tax registered and charge tax on all your products and services, input only the net amount. When you create an invoice or quote, the tax will be automatically added and displayed. However, if you don't charge tax, simply input the figure and this total amount will be shown on invoices or quotes without any additional tax. By clicking the box, Send Servicing Frequency Reminders, when we link this service to a customer's appliance, the app will automatically send service reminders to customers who have not yet booked their annual service and are due for it. This proactive approach ensures that customers are reminded in a timely manner, increasing the chances of them scheduling the service promptly. As a result, you'll experience better customer satisfaction, as your clients will appreciate the timely reminders and the convenience of the service. Additionally, this automation saves you time and effort by handling the reminder process on your behalf, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your business. Hit the Save button, and let's begin with the second service example. Click on the plus sign located in the bottom right corner of the screen, will allow us to add a new service. As a solid fuel engineer, the service involves the installation and replacement of new cowls and bird guards on chimneys. In the description box, we will outline the necessary details of this service, which will be displayed on invoices and quotes. The estimated time to complete this service is typically 45 to 90 minutes. Therefore, I will add a duration time of 90 minutes to the next box so we can automatically allocate the appropriate amount of time when booking customers in for this service. Since this is not an annual service and does not require customer reminders, there's no need to tick the Send Servicing Frequency Reminders box. Hit the Save button, and let's begin with the final service example. Click on the plus sign located in the bottom right corner of the screen to add a new service. The final item I want to add is not a service but a product that I keep in stock on the van and can upsell to customers. For this product entry, you'll only need to provide a description and the amount. In the description box, outline the details of the product, which I'm going to put a carbon monoxide alarm. Since it's not a service with a duration or servicing reminders, you can leave those fields blank. Then, add the corresponding amount for the product. This way, you can efficiently offer and sell products to your customers during your service visits, creating additional revenue streams for your business. After clicking Save, you will have access to a list of the services you've added. To edit any service, click the pencil icon on the left-hand side. If you wish to remove a service from the list, click the bin icon. Furthermore, if you prefer to display the services in a specific order, click the two horizontal lines next to each service. By dragging and reordering them, you can arrange the services in your preferred sequence. This functionality allows you to have full control over your list of services, ensuring they are organized, editable, and displayed in a way that best suits your business needs. To ensure that all the services and changes have been successfully updated, go back to the top right corner of your screen and click on the three white lines. Once you are happy with any changes, click Save. From there, select Sync Now, which will synchronize the data. This ensures that your services are updated and are in effect and ready to be used. Let's proceed to configure payment methods by clicking on the three white lines and selecting credit and debit cards. We have partnered with Stripe to seamlessly process card payments. Utilizing Stripe comes with numerous benefits. You can accept card payments without needing a physical card reader, and your customers can conveniently pay you directly from their invoices using a payment button. The app will automatically mark these invoices as paid, streamlining your payment process. Setting up Stripe to accept cards is highly recommended, and it comes at no cost to you. If you already have a card reader in place and are satisfied with your current setup, let's proceed to add it as a payment method. First, go to the top right-hand corner and click on the three white lines and select Payment Methods. Click on the plus sign located in the bottom right corner of the screen to create a new payment method. Enter the name of the new payment method as credit and debit card reader. Click Save, and it will now be listed as an available payment option when you are taking payments while invoicing customers. This way, you can seamlessly use your existing card reader to accept credit and debit card payments within the app, providing a convenient payment solution for your customers and maintaining a smooth payment process. Congratulations on completing the second part of setting up your account with the HETAS app. I hope you can already start to see the benefits the app can bring to your business. Thank you for your attention, and in the next video, we will guide you through setting up additional users, subscriptions, and forms and certificates. See you in the next video, and let's continue optimizing your experience with the HETAS app.